should take it slow.
Hey survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed, you're still here, we go. Thank you so much. I love you. With the first time seeing your girl see my face, oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed on any of the content that I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado guys, this is a loot anime unboxing guys. I'm so happy for this. I am feeling this. It's such a big box. Oh, let's go back. Can you see the box? It's massive. So yes guys, it's a bigger box than the last one, so I'm very excited. As you guys already know, I am a geek. I am them things. I love anime, I love manga. I read obviously the mangas. If you're wondering about what's going on with my face, I just finished doing a Instagram video. It's literally 4 AM as we speak, so yes, it's a bit, I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because everybody's actually sleeping. So without further ado guys, let's get into this video. So as you guys know, I've got my trusted tweezers with me, and I'm about to open this box, honey. Okay, you know, first of all, I always have to do it because I'm like that. I absolutely love their boxes. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. Look at the little cute face. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna color this in. I love anything like this. This is really cool. So the first thing that we get in the box, honey bunnies, is this really cute baby blue t-shirt. Again, big like the gods, honey. So this is, oh, this is really actually cute. My girl Half-Blood Pixie would love this t-shirt. Look at this. And the reason why I say she'll like it is because look at this little cutie here. Ain't that like a little cutie? So cute. And then you have one on the front. Oh my god, that is so cute. And then you have this really cute little logo here, and this is from Pop Team Epic. So Pop Team Epic, thank you for the t-shirt. It's beautiful. Oh, the t-shirt is really cute, very beautiful. I am living for that. Now we go on to this. This is cute. This is a pillow guys. Oh my god, this is really cute. Look at that. Got a cute little animation with the little logo there. Then we've got the blue on the other side, just like the t-shirt. So I'm about to, this is shrink wrapped, but I'm going to open it for you guys today. Yes. So look, how cute is this? That is so cute. That is really cute. And then on this side you have all the other characters. It says Konosuba, and it is a cute little squishy pillow. I am feeling that. Sorry guys, we have to continue this video. That is so cute. And then we have the book. I am a bit upset about my book. Can you see that? It is totally bent to a it is just a banana guys. Like, what's going on? It's the second box that I've had that's a little bit not good. Okay, so this is called, let me see, I think it's called Baccano. So this is Baccano, and it is a first edition. It's a first edition, volume 1, and as you know, they always do their lovely thick mangas, but obviously it's bent. But I'll put something heavy on it to straighten it out, so it's not really a big deal, but I'm living for it. I read all of their mangas that they send, so again, another story, and I am loving it. That's what it looks like guys. Jesus. And then we have, oh, I don't know what this is. Let's see. It looks like a napkin or some sort like that. Let's open it up and find out what it is, shall we? Okay, so it is kind of like a napkin. That's so cute. Look at this. And it's just blank on the other side. So this is very cute. I'm liking that. That's cute. So you have that, and then again I'm loving these pins. So this pin is from the Dongyong or Dongjeon, so that's what it is. I bet you anyone it has a very simple, I don't know, I just can't pronounce certain things, but this is what this pin looks like. And again, I am living for the pin. It is something that's been very consistent in these boxes, so it's like I'm collecting a whole lot of the same thing. I'm feeling it. So yes, I love the pins. And then we come to the end of the box. Really, do you know what it is? It's their poster that they have at the end. I'm feeling this. So this is called Quirky, and it says offbeat, unconventional, and everything in between. This month we are celebrating quirky characters who dare to be different, whether it's pop culture, parodigy, schoolgirls, or pen, pineapples, apple pen enthusiasts. Follow in the footsteps of these braves, eccentrics who move to the beat of their own drum. Da 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 dum. So it says here, you know, you got the t-shirt going on there, you got the pin, everything I've already said to you. You got a little handkerchief, the beautiful pillow. I'm loving that, and it's basically just a quirky edition, guys. And then you have the poster. So here we go with the poster. So very cute. I am feeling that. I am really feeling that. That is so cute. And this is called Nasumi Akatsuki. But yes, guys, that is basically it. This is the Loot Crate Quirky Edition. Let me just show you the rest of this box, because this box is very cute. So the rest of the box with all the items out of it looks like this. So you have this character here again, and then you have another character down there, and then the two characters, or the one character, sorry, that I showed you in the beginning. Or the two characters, I didn't see her there, but yes, the two characters that I showed in the beginning, sweeties. I am feeling this box. I'm loving the t-shirt. I am living for this pillow. This pillow is absolutely beautiful, and it's very soft and spongy. They got it right. This is going on my bed, honeys. No word of a lie. As I said, it's, what time is it right now? I'll tell you what the time is right now. So the timing right now is 4:32 a.m. guys. So this pillow has come in handy. So yes, it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. There's not that you're loved and you're all that anybody needs, sweetie, and I'll catch you. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of this video and hand with your girl and this beautiful pillow. I'll catch you on another video. Mwah. Can someone turn off the light, please?
Maybe you should take it slow.